Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 and today I'm going to show you how to update applications on this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to update applications on your watch, I recommend few things. First thing I recommend is to connect your watch to the Wi-Fi network because it will use a lot of data. Another thing I recommend is, or rather you will need to have it, is to have the Google account signed in on your watch. And to check it, you go to settings on your watch and go to Google. It should be Google somewhere here. And then tap on accounts and you should have account right here in this menu. If you don't have an account, you need to tap on add account, tap on this icon right here, and on the phone that is paired with your watch, you will see pop up on the screen that will ask you to basically sign in into account like this. And once you sign in, the account will appear right here in this menu, and now you're good to go. So if you have the internet connection and Google account on your watch, we can open the Play Store now. So find the Play Store icon and tap on it. And in the Play Store, you scroll down to the bottom and you will see this option called Manage Apps. Tap on it, and right here we have a list of updates available for our applications. You have the whole list, and if you just want to update one, you tap on it, then tap on update. And if you want to update all of them, you can tap on the update all button, but it's gone now because this one is going, so we need to wait until it's done updating. But after it's done, you will see the update all button. And once you tap on update all, it will queue all of the applications for the update, and it will do it automatically in the background. This is taking longer than I expected, but it's done now. As you can see, the app is gone from the list. And if you want to update all of them, you just tap on this button right here. Okay, and basically that's how you update applications on this watch. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.